jeez.
Go!
Oh, so cold, so cold. Hey, don't jump too far. It's kind of shallow.
I know that. I already did it.
Go and watch. Oh, oh, so cold. Oh, it's so
Dude,
cool.
isn't fun though?
No? Eli, you getting out or what, man?
Yeah, dude, I'm coming.
Trying to load up the gun.
Trust me, bro, I'm coming.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna
I
mess
know I was
up.
slipping like the first 5 times I tried to get up. Here, come over here, Miss Ella. Get on these rocks.
Oh God.
Hit it, D.
What?
I held left hand.
Above the big knot.
No, left hand, big rock, and when you go to swing, bring your other hand up over another knot.
Go, Dane. You got something to say, Maddie?
Water's so cold.
Is there like a pool up there?
You only jump once.
Alright, got you.
How is it? Did you touch bottom?
Nope.
I'm gonna do it.
Big step. Then pull your feet together.
Hey, Dad, did you touch bottom?
No.
It's deep.
Big step. Keep your feet together. You're going to be fine. That way you don't crush your...
What?
Just think
I
about
think
it.
you know what I'm talking.
You think I can jump from here?
Yes. There's plenty of room to get clear.
Dad, I'm gonna do it.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yo, Joe.
Yo, Joe.
I'll give you a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Dane. Dane. 5, 4,
3, 2,
go!
1.
Yo, Joe.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
Holy crap!
Woo!
How nuts was it, Dane?
Oh my God. I'm doing that again.
Dane, I'm doing it. I want to do it.
Oh, piss.
5.
My butt.
You ready,
Maddie, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No. Give him time.
Oh, dude, that was freaking great.
Yo, Joe, Maddie.
Maddie, look over here, not down there, okay? Just come out and pull your feet together.
Nuts.
Jump out, cross my feet.
You don't have to cross your feet, just put them together. You don't want...
cross mine.
That's a mistake.
Really?
Do I need to keep my arms in?
Don't worry about your arms,
Just
okay?
cross
You'll-
your legs.
You'll pull them in close.
You want to have kids.
And if you don't, then keep them open. That way? You can keep them open, you know, right?
Are you ready?
Just don't think about it. Go. You only live once, Maddie. Come on.
Yo, Joe, man. Yo, Joe.
Make this the best time of your life,
You
buddy.
didn't crawl all the way up there just to crawl back. Let's do it.
Don't walk back the chicken of shame.
There's
man.
only one way out, and that's jumping.
If you don't jump, I'm gonna call you a chicken for the rest of your life.
Me
I'm
too.
call you something else.
It's a
Every
little
morning,
more
and be like, "Hey, chicken, how are you?"
Don't do that.
Come on, Maddie.
Come on, y'all, you got it. Let's go.
Again, Dad.
Okay.
5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, Joe.
Yo,
Joe.
Yeah!
I'm doing it.
Good job.
Dane,
so
Dane, come on.
Oh my
I'm
God.
doing it.
3, 2, 1. Move it!
Look out.
Yo, Joe!